So we are going to draw this graph, a utility maximization problem. As you can see, we have 2D, two-dimensional X and Y two goods, and this is the budget line, and this is the indifference curve. Okay, and this point will be the optimum bundle. Okay, so let's draw this. So we start with the graph paper, and then again we draw the two axes first. Draw from 0, 0 to 7, 0. Okay, so we draw the x-axis first, and we give them some decoration, an arrow, and a thick line to be the axis, and then notch on the right hand side of the notch. We is going to give you the x. Okay, so this is the first horizontal axis. Draw from 0, 0 to 0, 7. Okay, this is what we have. And then the y-axis, draw arrow, thick, from 0, 0, draw up to 0, 7. Okay, notch above is because the character is above, and then we have a y here. Remember the semicolon, so we have the axis here, y and x. Okay, and now what we want is to the budget line from 40 to 40 to 04 or 04 to 40. So budget line, draw say 04 to 40. Okay, so that will be the budget line. That shouldn't be a something difficult, so we can see. Now what we mean is to have a curve like this indifference curve, and where we want to cut, it's meeting at say 2, 2. Okay, let's meet at 2, 2. Then we need to draw. Okay, there are many ways to draw a curve, but the easiest is to give coordinate and let the program to do it. Let's draw a plot, and you call smooth because we want to smooth it, and we call them coordinates, and then bracket, semicolon, and then give you the say from 1, 6. Okay, from this point and up to the point 2, 2, say 2, 2. Okay, and then 6, 1. Okay, let's see if it works out. So it pretty nice. It's 2, 2. Okay, and then with the end we want to have a u there, right? Because there's a graph here, we have a u. So we do a note. Okay, note at the end, so it will be 6, 1. We want to put a u there, so we just tell them the u, but I guess we want it to be left, right? Because not exactly at this there, so we're on the right. Okay, let's compile it and see the graph. Yes, sorry, the computer is a little bit lag, but let's compile it. We give you u there, and oh, sorry, I forget a semicolon. So let's compile it again. So there's U here. Okay. So if you want, you can draw another line in difference curve. Right, you can draw one more indifference curve because the graph now we have more flexibility to show another one. So maybe we start from say 0.5, 4.5, say 0.5, 4.5. Okay, to make it symmetric, we make a 4.5, 0.5. Okay, and where do we want to cut it? Maybe somewhere like say, I don't know, just for simplicity, maybe put 1.3. Okay, I don't know whether it worked, but 1.3. Okay, let's do it. This one is some adjustment here and there, but does it give you a another indifference curve? Okay. Oh, it should be 0.5, not 1.5. So let's draw it again. So it is another indifference curve, right? So you can draw one more, maybe draw one more here. Okay, from 2.6 to 6.2. Let's copy another one. With a 2.6 and with a 6.2, and maybe we cut at 2.5, maybe 2.5. Don't know the midpoint is good or not, but let's try and error. Sometimes when you draw a graph, if you don't plan properly like this, then you have to say, if I draw multiple, then so you can see this a little bit. I want it to be higher, maybe 2.7 to be a little bit symmetric. So then you have be a little bit nicer. Maybe put this one a little bit, maybe a little bit higher, 0.5. See if that would make it look nicer. But sometimes it's always kind of trial and error. You can't really tell. Maybe it is better. I don't know. Is it better? Yep. So this is the indifference curve, right? And you can try to figure out what is the best one. And if you really want the optimal bundle, right? To be have a line, then we have a field draw, and we have 2, okay, and we have a circle, and then we put 2 points, okay. Then should give you it will give you the optimum bundle. It's 2 there. So let's wait a bit. So you can see the optimum bundle is here. So that would be a nice ending of this graph. So thank you for listening for this utility maximization graph. Oh, I forget, before we end it, let's comment out the graph paper and see how it looks like at the end. So this will be the end product that we are drawing, will be the this utility maximization problem. So looks like this. Is it nice? I think it's okay. So thank you for listening.